Hello guys, this is Maximizer Bro and welcome back to another YouTube video. Today, for the past week, I have been going on MotoGP 22 and going on the Dutch Grand Prix because I think I have discovered a game-breaking shortcut, or also known as an ultra shortcut. If you don't know what an ultra shortcut is where like you do something that it gives you a small shorter time, and I'm gonna be able to show it right now. This shortcut is very tough to do. Let's do this. Here we go. It's very careful what you have to do because to make sure it does not fail. Here we go. We have to be doing a lot of replays because shortcut is so tough. You can get times like 1 minute. I have actually got a time below 1 minute, actually 59.981. This is what you have to do. Try and get a high speed, and then you enter. Come on, please work. No, it did not work, so we have to replay. So what you're trying to do is go fast down there, and then when you see that bit, you can try and clip off it. No, it did not work. The only problem is, it's very tricky to pull off. That was an absolute fail. You're trying to get height to get a glitch into the other side. Nope, it did not work. The only problem is it takes ages to pull. But I'm determined to pull it off and show you what insane time. That was an absolute fail. This bit I need to try and clip off. And the only problem is it takes ages to work. Nope. And also sorry for the lack of uploads. I've been very busy on the Maximizer Shorts channel, but this is like my first big video in ages. I pray that did not work. Come on. I've pulled this off, and you can get a very good time. Now it does not count because I fell off too early. It might take me like 5 to 10 minutes to pull this off. No, it was close, but it was not good enough. Come on. Come on. I know this is possible. Come on. I fell off too early. Please work. Yes! Yes! There we go! There we go! Yes, it worked! Yes, it works! Yes, it works! Yes, it works! Yes, it works! Now what you have to carefully do now is to go on the grassy area, because you will need to avoid the track limits. Then you can finally go on. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on! And that's going to be the end of this video. There you go. Now you can get a 103. It is really insane. I want to see what times you are able to get. So thanks for watching and see you later. Bye.